Hello. Um, I'm going to take you through setting up the things that you need before starting learning Python programming. So there are things that you need. I'm going to take you through them one by one. So what do you need before embarking on learning Python? So you need an IDE. An IDE is an integrated learning and an integrated development environment. So this is where you type your code. It has a compiler that's going to help you run your Python program. It has an interpreter that helps you to run Python. Or you may need text editor like a VS Code that's going to help you in typing your source code and also running. So I'm going to take you through the process of acquiring those. So where do you get them from? And then how do they look like? So I'm going to show you where to get VS Code from. So you're going to type VS Code. Then this is the Visual Studio Code that you need. So you'll go to, you'll just click on that first link, and then you'll go to download for Windows. Me, I've already downloaded. I don't need to download it. Once you download it, you're going to get a setup file. So kindly install it. So it's here. It's downloading. Once it finishes, click on it and follow the installation wizard to complete the installation process. So this is a text editor that you may need for Python development. Now for the IDE, you need PyCharm. Now for PyCharm, there are two versions. You have the community version. That's the one that I normally use. So you'll get it from JetBrains website. Just tap on the first link that appears, and then okay, so you just have to wait for the internet. So you're going to download the community version. Don't download the other version. Just get the free version for the purpose of learning. So once you download, click on that installation link, and then you're going to have it installed in your computer, and then you'll now be ready to start coding in Python. You'll be ready to start coding in Python. So that is it. That is it that I can show you about setting up the environment for practicing and learning Python.